All right, hello to whoever's watching this. This is a nice and simple setup for a long-range radar system. This is just using the AI blocks as per normal, but with two gyroscopes here, and the rotors are both set to 0 Newton meters of braking torque. So these two rotors can basically just um, spin wherever, and the only thing that's controlling them here is the AI flight and the gyroscopes. So the AI flight's basically just using the offensive AI to pick up a target, and then it will orientate this grid towards that target with the front of the AI block pointing the same direction as the camera underneath. Um, you can nudge it, and it will eventually go back in. It's pretty accurate, but it will not work for guns. So, with that being said, like this is much closer to like the weapons that I'm. Oops, I did not mean to pause that. This is much closer to the weapons that I prefer to use, which are player-made guided missiles. Um, so basically, what you would do in this scenario here is this setup here is not optimal for, say, launching a missile, because you don't want to mount it, because the gyroscopes aren't going to be able to hold it up. So the gyroscopes don't provide enough force. However, what you can do is you can put, say, another rotor here, and then use some event controllers to roughly copy the parameters. Say if you have it going every like 45 degrees, like that. If you roughly copy the parameters using event controllers, and then do the same for the top one of like increments of like, I don't know, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, something like that, then you'll get a very um, rough approximation of. Well, it's actually not that rough. It's actually fairly accurate. But basically, the purpose is you're going to be already firing the missiles in the general direction of the target, and that's going to just give. It's going to give you more time to respond to a threat. It'll give the missiles more time to respond to a threat. Of course, you can always link this up with AI defensive blocks, and you can automate the launches for the missiles as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can't attach like big guns to it because you can see it sort of shakes it a bit, and when it's like swinging around to track a new target, it's not really going to work. It also doesn't really factor in the lead of projectiles. It can factor in the lead of a ship traveling towards it, but it won't factor in the lead of the projectiles. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, the AI offensive block here it's set to intercept largest, and the flight AI is just like pretty generic. I won't really release like I won't make this a workshop link because it is pretty damn basic. But yeah, hopefully you learned something new, and I'll catch you later.